Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today we are going to talk about TVS Verde Vista, a premium residential community located in Padur along Chennai's OMR IT corridor. If you have been searching for a home that offers spacious apartment, modern amenities and quick access to Chennai's major IT hubs, then this project is definitely worth checking out. In this video, we will talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. TVS Verde Vista is spread across 4.79 acres and features 3 premium residential towers with a basement plus ground plus 5-floor structure. Since it's a low-rise development, you get a more peaceful and less crowded living environment compared to typical high-rise project. The project offers thoughtfully designed 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartment with layouts that makes the most of natural light, cross ventilation and everyday functionality. You will also find 35 plus lifestyle amenities, landscape open spaces and plenty of recreational areas, making it a great place for families of all age group. The expected possession is January 2030. Now talking about the location, so one of the biggest advantages of TVS Verde Vista is that it's located right on Rajiv Gandhi Salai OMR, one of the Chennai's fastest growing residential and IT corridor. Hindustan Institute of Technology is just about 5 minutes away, while Sipcot IT Park can be reached in around 11 minutes. Siruseri IT Park is also close by, making daily commuting much easier for working professionals. On top of that, you will have school, hospital, shopping centers, supermarket and all your everyday essentials within easy reach. Coming to the lifestyle amenities, so TVS Verde Vista offers something for everyone. There is a clubhouse, swimming pool, fully equipped gym, indoor games room, children play area. Now let's take a look at the apartment options. So the 2 BHK apartment range from 952 to 1121 square feet with the prices starting from 68 lakh rupees all inclusive. The 3 BHK apartment range from 1354 to 1622 square feet starting at 1.12 crore rupees onwards. And if you are looking for something more spacious, the 4 BHK apartment range from 1999 to 2474 square feet with the prices starting from 2.03 crore rupees all inclusive. From an investment perspective, Padur has become one of the Chennai's most promising real estate destination, and its proximity to major IT parks, ongoing infrastructure development and growing residential demand continue to drive long-term appreciation. Add to that the trust of the TVS Emerald brand, spacious low-rise planning and premium amenities, and you have a project that's attractive for both end users and long-term investors. So what really makes TVS Verde Vista stand out? You get a premium 4.79 acres development, just 3 low-rise tower, spacious apartment layout, 35 plus lifestyle amenities, excellent connectivity to Sipcot and Siruseri IT Park, a prime OMR location and the confidence of the trusted TVS brand. Overall, if you are looking for a premium home in Chennai that offers a peaceful community, modern amenities and excellent connectivity, then TVS Verde Vista is definitely a project you should consider. For latest pricing detail, payment plan or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.